In this video, I'm going to show you how to internally transfer your crypto assets between your Yubit accounts. If you're looking to learn how to transfer crypto off of Yubit to another exchange or wallet address, I've made a separate tutorial for that, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that video in the description down below for anyone that might find that helpful. This video is about how to transfer your crypto assets between your internal accounts. Let's get into the video. To transfer funds between your accounts, we can do that right here from the overview page. If you're not already on this page, just come up here where it says wallets and then click here where it says overview. You'll be able to see a transfer button right up here, top right hand side of the screen next to withdraw. So we'll go ahead and give that a click. Then you'll get this pop-up window here that you can use to transfer your funds internally between your accounts. So I have some Tether in my futures account, so I need to flip these two around. I can do that by simply clicking on these arrows right here. Now you can see I'm set up to transfer from futures and into funding. Alternatively, you can always just click on these boxes and then select the account down below that your funds are in. Then click over here to choose the account that you wish to transfer them to. Next, choose the asset that you wish to transfer. You can do that by clicking on this box right here. Then you can select it from down below here, or you can search for it in the search bar. I just have Tether, so I'll be leaving that as it is. Then you'll be able to see your available transferable amount right here. So if you want to do a custom amount, you can always type that into this box like this. Or if you want to transfer all of it, just click here where it says max, and then come down here and click on transfer. And transfer success. You can see that I moved the funds from my futures account, and they're now in my funding account. If I come up here and click where it says funding account, you can see the Tether right here that I transferred in from futures. You'll also notice on this page here that there's a transfer button right up here between withdraw and funding records. We'll just give that a click. And this time I'll transfer some funds from my spot account and into the funding account. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to click on spot account. I'll click here where it says futures account, and I will select funding account. Now I have a little bit of Bitcoin in this account, so I'm going to need to click right here where it says USDT. And I'm going to type in the ticker symbol for Bitcoin, which is BTC. And I'm going to click right here. And now I can see my Bitcoin that's in my spot account right here. So to transfer that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on max, and then I'm going to click here on transfer. And transfer success. You can now see that Bitcoin inside my funding account, and I transferred it from my spot account. So that's how you can transfer assets internally between your Yubit accounts. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer crypto internally between your Yubit accounts. If you got some value out of that, don't forget to leave me a like and hit subscribe for future content. Also, feel free to check out my other Yubit tutorials, which I've put together in a playlist on my YouTube channel. Have yourself a powerful day.